Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change pattern lock password to pin lock password in your phone Vivo V15. I already set a pattern for my phone. This is the pattern. I would like to change this pattern to pin type. Okay, I would like to enter 4-digit pin. For that, what I got to do is just go to the settings. Then go to fingerprints and passwords, and here draw the current pattern. This is the current pattern, and now you go to select lock screen password here and try behind the current pattern to confirm, and now select here 4-digit password. Okay, click on 4-digit password and type new password. Here I would like to set to 4747. Again type the same 4-digit pin 4747. Yes, now it is changed from pattern to pin. Now your current password is pin, that is 4747. Check it. Yes, so in this way you can easily shift from pattern to pin in your phone Vivo V15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.